Good morning student, welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. Today we are going to learn about the number patterns. We'll start with the square pattern, then up and down pattern, then triangular numbers. So triangular numbers, whether you write it triangular numbers or triangular number pattern. Okay, number pattern. So these are the three patterns, basic pattern we will learn. In the next phase we will learn some other patterns like cubic patterns, hexagonal patterns, and other many more patterns will be coming. So we'll start with the square patterns. A square pattern, what do you understand the square pattern? The formula is n square. Means if you put n equal to 1, so it will become 1 chi square. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot, anything you put, 1 chi square. Any number you are squaring, any number, it means you are multiplying same number twice. This means you repeat 1 twice times. 1 1 ja 1. If I'll say 2 square, you will say 2 into 2 4. If I'll say 3 square, 3 into 3 equal to 9. Similar way, it can go up to any number, any counting numbers. These are the natural numbers. If I'll say 100 chi square, so 100 raised to power 2 means 100 into 100. So 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros. So this way we find the number sequence pattern is like this: 1 4 9. So pattern is 1 4 9, then 16, then 25, then 36, then dot 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 dot, and it is like this. Okay, so these are the patterns, number patterns, which is very important. So we should remember these patterns. This is known as square patterns. Now this is one of the important pattern. This is known as up and down pattern. So for what we need to do for up and down means, if you are, see, like this is the first floor, this is the second floor. Okay, so you are going to first floor, then second floor up, again you are coming to the first floor, up and down patterns. Okay, if I'll say first floor to second floor, you have gone like this, and then second floor to first floor you have come like this. So 1 2 1. So if you are adding all three, 1 2 3 1 4. Okay, if you first floor to third floor, you are going first, second, third, then coming back to the first floor, second and 1 1 2 3 3 3 6 2 8 plus 1 9. Okay, if you are going to the fourth floor, 1 2 3 4, then coming backward counting, 3 2 1. Okay, so it becomes 16. Okay, it becomes 16. First one wala is the first one. Okay, first floor wala. So backward counting first to first, that is only 1. So it is not moving, so it will count as 1. So second floor, 4 9 16. If you are going to fifth floor, 3 4 5, then backward counting, 4 3 2 1, it will come 25. If you add 1 2 3 3 3 6 4 10 15 19 23 22 24 25, so it will become 25. So these are the patterns. This is known as up and down. You are going up and you are coming down. So this is known as up and down pattern. So what did you learn from up and down pattern? So if I'll ask you the question like this: 1 2 3, it's going up to 95, then coming up to 1 again first floor. What will be the answer for this question? You are going up to 95th floor, then coming back to the first floor. Okay, it's like that. What will you get? So how will we find the value of this? You see, first we need to observe the pattern. You see the highest number is 2. Here in this series highest number is 3. In this series highest number is 4. In this series highest number is 5. 2 ka square is 4. 3 raised to power 2. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. And 5 square is 25. Then again the what is the highest number? So highest number equal to 95. Okay. So this is, these up and down pattern become the square patterns. So highest number means the highest number ka square. This is multiply by 2, multiply twice. So the same number is multiplying twice. So sum equal to 95 ka square. 95 into 95, 9025 will be the answer. This is the Vedic math. By Vedic mathematics I calculated this. So you need to do a lot of efforts for the Vedic mathematics. See, so this is the up and down pattern. So square pattern and up and down pattern. So so we need to understand first square pattern, then up and down pattern. So 4 means 2, 1 means 1 chi square, 4 means 2 chi square, 9 means 3 chi square, 16 means 4 chi square, 25 means 5 chi square. Fifth floor, if you are going to the fifth floor, coming back to the first floor, then it becomes 5 chi square. So the highest number, you have to take the highest number, and if you have to find the sum of all these series, you have to put the square of the highest number. Okay, so for up and down pattern, up down patterns, you need to do highest number ka square, highest numbers square. Okay, if up and down pattern means the highest number in the series, you will have to square the same number. So we will continue for the triangular number patterns. So triangular number pattern, what is triangular number patterns? You need to understand the triangular number patterns. So we'll carry on for the triangular number patterns. We learnt as of now square pattern, second was up and down pattern, now third one is triangular number pattern. Okay, so triangular number pattern. So triangular means, if you are getting the name here, triangular means triangle. Okay, so triangle. So we always talk about the regular triangle, regular triangle. So there is a word regular means what? Regular means all sides equal, all sides equal. So the triangle which has all sides equal is known as equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. So this is known as equilateral triangle. So this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side, means all three sides are equal, is known as equilateral triangle. So we need to understand this triangular pattern. So for understanding this triangular pattern, triangular means number of sequence of number that can be arranged in the shape of equilateral triangle. So that can be arranged in the shape of equilateral triangle. You can write that can be arranged in the shape of equilateral triangle. This is the symbol of triangle. So that the number, the sequence which can be arranged in the shape of equilateral triangle is known as triangular numbers. So nth triangular number is the sum of, so actually there is a formula for this in the higher classes. Tn equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. n into n plus 1 upon 2. This is the triangular number patterns का formula. So if you put let n equal to 1, putting the n equal to 1 in place of n, wherever you are seeing n, you put the 1. N equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 2. 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2. 2 cancel, the first number is 1. Okay, let n equal to 2, so it becomes n equal to 2, t2. 2 into 2 plus 2 upon 2 into wherever the bracket mentioned, there is a sign of multiplications. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 upon 2 cancels, it becomes 4. Okay, let n equal to 3, t3. So 3 oh sorry, here 2 plus 1 is 3, so here it comes 3, so 3 plus 1 upon 2. 3 into 3 plus 1, 4 upon 2. 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. So these are the triangular patterns 1 3 6. So what will happens, you can say like this, 1 3 6. Okay, or another way you can write like this. Another way, these are the numbers by formula you have done. You are solving by the formula Tn equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. So if you add consecutive numbers together, so then you will get the same patterns. Okay, t1 equal to 1, t2 equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 what? 1 plus 2 is 3. Here also 3, here also 3. 1 first one is always 1. t3 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Continue, 3 2 5 plus 1 6. This is 6, this is 6. By formula it is getting 6. t4 equal to, continue, add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. By formula you also do t4 equal to 4 into 4 plus 1 upon 2. 4 into 5 upon 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10. Same 10. t4 wala is 10. Okay, so this is the way of getting triangular numbers. The triangular number becomes 1 3 6 10 15. So these number